going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing some spirited driving on the E92 M3 with one of my boys. He also has the E92 M3. He's going to pull up any second now. So let's get right into that. Now, if you hear that squeak, don't mind it. That's just my rear shock. One of them is, I'm not sure if it's blown or what's wrong with it, but it's just making a little bit of a weird sound. Just not minding it right now. So his car is really loud, as you guys can tell. It has a Alibaba special. We got a car in front of us, so now we can't do much. Oh, perfect, he's turning. That works. Okay, where are you turning? There we go. This is my first time driving this car on twisty roads, so I'm still getting used to it. It's really different compared to the 340, but still, I'm gonna enjoy it. Just listen to that. I'm just letting him do his pulls because that just sounds perfect. Mine, you can still hear it. It's not as loud though. Let's go right here. See? The thing is, these cars are not meant for straight line. They're meant for twisty roads, just handling basically. 340 was meant for a straight line. That was power and that was fast, but it was not really meant for taking it on back roads and stuff like that, or taking it to a track. This, you can just take it to a track and you're gonna be good because the suspension is already set up for a track car, basically. I wouldn't say it's like a track car, like per se, but it is actually equipped with really good suspension. It comes with an EDC suspension, which basically, if you don't know what that means, that's electronic dampening control. So you can choose between soft and stiff suspension. I feel like that's really perfect if you're going to take it on the track. Now keep in mind, this is a 2008 car. So at the end of the day, EDC for a 2008 car, that's really good technology. But we're approaching some turns right now, so I guess we will see. And of course we have a car in front of us, so I'm not going to enjoy the curves that much, I think. Or do we actually? I think there's no car in front of us. No, there is one. Damn, that feels so much better compared to the 340. Like you can tell the difference. Even in that little turn, you can actually tell the difference. Tires warmed up. Of course, we got a car in front of us. That's just like the best thing, right? And it's a Corolla too, so definitely it's gonna go slow. And that's like this is like the perfect side of the road. This is like where the turns are and everything. So I guess we're just gonna take a chill behind the roller.